Hi everyone, I welcome you to the month of September. Welcome to the technical analysis of the Nigerian stock market. This is Market Formula. Everything shared in this video is for educational purpose. In this video, we'll be looking at the update of the all share index of the Nigerian stock market and also look at one or two stocks that you can buy for high return this month of September. So let's quickly check. Before me is the all share index of the Nigerian stock market. This is the chart of the all share index of the Nigerian stock market. And you can see that we are in a consolidation. And this consolidation has been for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And for these 8 weeks, market is proving that it wants to find a support. Market is technically finding a support on this channel. This is the midpoint of the channel. On this channel, I've explained how I draw my channels. So when you want to draw a channel, you only look for higher high. When you have spot a higher high, connect the lows that created that high. When you spot a lower low, connect the high that created the low. Just like this. This is a lower low. Then I connect the highs that created the low. Then that's the channel. When it's broken, then we are in an upward channel. This is higher high. This is higher than this high. So I'll connect the lows that created that high. Connect the lows that created the high. That's another channel. So I expect that the market continues to react to that until there's a breakout. And if you look at it again, this high is higher than this high. So these lows created that high. This high is higher than this high. So this is the low that created that high. So this is another channel. This is another channel which has been broken. Because it has been broken, that's why I've deleted it. So we have another high. This high is higher than this high. So I connected the lows, then the market is finding support at the midpoint of the channel. So what is the possibility in the month of September? I expect that the market will break out of this consolidation zone. As you can see, if I zoom into this area of the chart, can see that we have a rejection, and immediately the rejection was filled. We had indecision. These are just spinning tops. But look at it. Last week was a bullish candle, and the bull has body, followed by this week is forming a bullish candle again. So this is already broken. This consolidation area is broken. So in the month of September, there's higher probability that the market is pushing higher. So if you are looking to invest, I tell you that this is a time for you to also bring in your money into this market. So let's quickly look at one or two stocks that we can buy this month for high return. On my list here, I have Vitafoam. I'll just quickly run through it. I'm not sure I can remember the way the chart looks like. Okay, Vitafoam is already breaking out. I was looking at it from here, but this week, look at what has happened. So it has broken out. If you want to take Vitafoam, if you can get Vitafoam at around 20 naira, 21 naira, is good. Look at this consolidation and the breakout. So it has touched the top of the channel. So, but looking at momentum is intact. So I expect a breakout. So let's look at the extension. What's the possibility for the extension if there is going to be a breakout of that level? So extension to look out for. Look out at 27 naira. Then if market should there's a clear break of 27 naira, then the market will push up to 33 naira. That is for Vitafoam. Let's look at UPDC. UP. Okay, UPDC. This week again, the market is uh, is consolidating. You can see this is a consolidation. And if you look at this channel is a little bit tilting up. So let's hope that the month of September, the market will test one naira 55 kobo for UPDC. So you are looking at to buy, can get UPDC at one naira 11 kobo is a good entry. Veritas Capital. Okay, for Veritas Capital, is still very fresh. Currently, we are below the midpoint of the channel, so telling you that the price is still very cheap. Veritas Capital, if you can get it at any price below, any price around, let's say 24 kobo, 25 kobo is good, but a push back to 34 kobo. So if you pick it at that price, you're hoping to sell at the top of this level. And if there is a break of this 34 naira, 34 kobo rather, then we are going to 44 kobo. That's for Veritas Capital. Courtview. Okay, for Courtview, and see channel consolidation channel. So what do I expect? Let me delete this one. Market did not obey this level. So market actually went this way. So what is the next possible move? Next possible move should be something like this. Then back to 74 kobo. And if there's a break of 74 kobo, expect that market can still touch 90 kobo for Courtview. So that's another path that the market can follow. But mind you, the momentum is still intact and market is finding consolidation above the midpoint of this channel. So if you can pick it at, if you get this stock at 60 kobo, is a good buy. Then expect to take your profit around 90 kobo or anything higher than that price. FitSyn. FitSyn, okay, FitSyn is already going, so I don't think I will advise you picking FitSyn at this price. You can pick if you can get FitSyn at 13 naira 65 kobo is good, but I don't think I want to buy FitSyn at current price because it's already at a resistance. I would rather want market to pull back a bit from a resistance, but if you have it, you can hold it up to let's say 19 naira, up to 19 naira. So that's for FitSyn. Prestige. Oh, Prestige, I don't think I will advise Prestige at this level because the market this week is facing down. But if you can hold it for long, it's actually a good time for you to enter. But looking at the chart now, for this week to be a strong red candle this way, is at a support, momentum is intact. If you can hold it for long, I don't know how long it will stay here, but it's also a good stock that you can buy, but it might stay here for some time. Wema Bank. Okay, Wema Bank to consolidating at the midpoint of the channel. So this is the path that I'm expecting the market to follow. It's hitting here, then go back here. Then when it gets there, we look for either a break or a bounce. But at current level, where is the best price to enter this stock? If you can get it at maybe 4 naira 50 kobo, then hold it to 6 naira for Wema Bank. Afrifood, okay, Afrifood too is also at a support, So if you want to buy this stock, let me draw a channel there. Looking at this channel, this is midpoint. Then let me extend it. Okay, you see market is currently below the midpoint of the channel. So if market pulls back to a level like 5 naira 60 kobo thereabouts, you can buy and take your profit at, this is the path that the market wants to follow, something similar to this. So take your profit at the top of the channel, which is around 8 naira. Dangote Cement, I think let me take Dangote Cement, and that will be the end of this video. It's already getting too long. Also, Dangote Cement. Dangote Cement. Oh, Dangote Cement already above the midpoint of the channel. If you can get Dangote Cement at maybe 330 naira, it's good. Let me draw the path that I'm expecting the market to follow. It's already come back for a retest of the channel, and it'll be a push up to the top of the channel. So expect Dangote Cement at around 440 naira. So that will be all for this video. Hope to see you next week for another edition. Bye for now.